Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about two popular pastries, cheese bake roll and Spanish bread. Let's go! I'll be sharing their similarities and differences, especially their taste and ingredients. Both are soft, fluffy breads made with enriched dough. They are so affordable and very popular for merienda. And they're baked, which makes them light, tasty, and perfect with coffee and hot chocolate. Spanish bread is usually a little cheaper since the filling is just butter, sugar, and breadcrumbs. Cheese baker is slightly more expensive because it uses cheese, which costs more than the Spanish bread filling. Spanish bread focuses on sweet, buttery, and filling that's simple but satisfying. Cheese baker feels a bit more premium because of the cheese. It adds on richer flavor and texture. So, let's try it. Cheese bake roll combines sweet and savory. The breads is sweet, but the cheese adds a salty and tangy kick. Mm. Spanish bread tastes sweet, buttery, and a little caramel-like inside. So both pastry are soft and delicious, but Spanish bread is simpler and more affordable, while cheese bake roll gives you the extra cheese flavor and quality for a slightly higher price. In the end, it depends on your taste and the budget, but either way, you can go wrong. It's delicious, mother. That's all for today. Thank you po, sir.